The OnePlus 15, a flagship redefined. Welcome to our deep dive into the OnePlus 15, a smartphone built to redefine what a true flagship means. With breakthroughs in power, performance, battery, and imaging, this device represents a bold new direction for OnePlus. Launch and overview. The OnePlus 15 is set for its China debut on October 27, followed by a global rollout soon after. It's more than an incremental update, it's a generational leap that pushes boundaries across every category: performance, endurance, and design. Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. At its core lies the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor. Built with custom Oryon CPU cores clocked up to 4.6 GHz, it delivers 20% faster CPU performance and 35% better power efficiency compared to its predecessor. Adreno GPU and gaming power. For gamers, the Adreno GPU brings a 23% graphics boost and supports Unreal Engine 5 integration. Ray tracing is 25% faster, offering lifelike lighting and console-grade visuals right in the palm of your hand. Battery powerhouse. Powering the OnePlus 15 is a massive 7300 mAh Glacier battery. It's designed to easily last a full day and beyond, making battery anxiety a thing of the past. SuperVOC plus wireless charging. Charging gets even better with 120-watt SuperVOC fast charging. You can top up the phone in minutes, and the 50-watt wireless charging option ensures high speed without cables. Efficiency meets convenience. Camera innovation. DetailMax engine. OnePlus introduces its own in-house imaging platform, the DetailMax engine. It focuses on unmatched clarity, realistic colors, and enhanced detail reproduction for professional-grade results. Triple 50MP camera system. A trio of 50-megapixel sensors delivers optical excellence. A main camera, an ultroid, and a periscope telephoto lens with 3.5 times optical zoom. The phone also records 4K video at 120 frames per second, ideal for content creators and filmmakers. Display brilliance. The third generation 1.5K BOE flexible Oriental OLED display brings a 165 Hz refresh rate for ultra-smooth interaction. It consumes 10% less power while lasting 30% longer than previous panels. Design and durability. Elegance meets resilience. The OnePlus 15 features a sleek chassis with ultra-thin bezels and an IP68 rating for water and dust resistance. It's crafted to look premium and perform flawlessly in any environment. A flagship redefined. With its next-gen processor, powerful battery, new imaging engine, and vivid display, the OnePlus 15 isn't just evolving the flagship experience, it's redefining it. This is performance, endurance, and innovation in perfect balance.